Now I'd like to show you how I'm going to tack down this body and the head on this little duck. I'm going to keep the wing dimensional, right? So I don't want to tack that down. It's not like an applique stitch where you have to put all the little tiny stitches on the very edge because that's what's going to keep it from unraveling. This won't unravel, right? Because the seam is pretty solid. But I don't want the stitches right on that edge because when it pulls, you'll see them, because this is a little bit thicker. So I'm just going to roll this over just a little bit, and right inside on the underneath side, I'm going to do, kind of a running stitch really. Once in a while, I'm going to do a backup stitch just to really secure it, or I could do a tiny knot. That works too, just so if it goes through the laundry, it's not going to pull out. Now, this is not going to take you a lot of time like an applique stitch. It really isn't. Goes fast, but see how, because it's underneath, and then I still get this little dimensional part that lifts off the quilt that's not attached. And that's what I want. So then I'm also going to do that to the head. Now I don't have to tack down that beak. It's kind of cute out a little bit like that. So we're going to finish that, and then we'll show you how to do the eyes, the satin stitch eyes.